Okay, my name is Vasagan and I'm 20 years old right now. So I'm as a STPM student right now. So in this company, I am the video editor. So all the videos given, I check them one by one, try to make them even more interesting. My experience working with this team is that there are a lot of experience, new experience that especially I learned is from Mr. Tan Susu and Ashikin in marketing because I'm the video editor, right? Then suddenly I learned a new way, like in marketing, how to promote our business. It's a new environment for me. Before I was so horrible. I don't know even how to use the new software because everything was so new to me. And then at first the video editing took me hours and hours. Like now it can be done like just in less than 3 hours. Like last time it would take like 4 to 8 hours. It would take a long time because I have to learn the new thing, new settings, all the new project files. But then after Mr. Tai teach me one by one, then it became better. It's not so stressful and no right, no wrong. We can share our opinions.
Okay, anything else you want to add, Sagan?
I'm looking forward to work even more longer than I expected.
Yes, thank you, Sagan.